In this video, I'm going to show you how to show drop-down menu on hover in Horizon theme. If I go now to my online store as an example, first of all, let me just go here and click edit my theme. As you see, I do have here a menu, but nothing appears when I hover right here. And as you can see right here as well. But if I go, let me just go and exit that. First of all, let me go and make some page here as example. For me, I'm just going to do a random test page. So I'm just going to name it test, make sure it's visible, click on save. And on the left panel, we're going to click on content, then menu. And here I'm just going to create my menu. I'm just going to name it tests as an example. I'm doing some random names here. I'm just going to do like test 1. I'm going to add test 2 and test 3 as well. So for these pages, as example, all of them will be taking me to like tests. It doesn't matter where will they take me. So all I need to do now is just go and hover one of them and make sure to take it to the right a little bit. So now this will be as a submenu to this first menu item. Of course, you can add the second one as well, make it first, make it last, whatever you want. Let me just go and save that. And on the next panel, going back to online store, of course, we go here and click on edit theme again. And at the top, I'm just going to click on my menu right here. If you don't have the menu block added, you can add it. And on my menus, I'm just going to click on replace and I'm going to choose my new menu. I'm going to click on save. And all I need to do, just refresh this page. And as you can see, the new menu will be there. All I need to do now, hover it, and it will open my things that I just clicked. So, or that I just created. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.